guys, today we are at Ballinorig Road level crossing in Tralee in County Kerry. And the barriers are coming down. And there we go, and so our time is now here, 18:54. So we're waiting for your 17:25 service from Mallow to Tralee Casement. And Clash Road level crossing is just down there. I'm gonna go over here. I'm so happy that they still have the old Y03 alarms, because I thought they'd be like the Y04 alarms and that would annoy me. I really wanted to go here because I thought it was in an industrial estate. And I really like those alarms. There's 3.5 weights on that side back there. And so this side has 3.5 weights as well. They're SPX barriers. And I want to see what alarms those are. They are. I thought they said it on the alarm. I think they're Y03s. Those lights look like they're flashing a bit fast. And our crossing number here is XT161. I literally said I wish they'd just come down now. But like about 30 seconds before they actually did come down. And I've probably said about 1 million times now, well not 1 million. One phone on the outside, one phone on the inside, and the same on the other side. There's a small bit of a gap between those barriers. Oh, it's here! That sounds like an ICR 2200 class. Or it might be a 2800. 22327! 22267 off to Tralee Casement, and up they go. I said the wrong number there. It was 22267. And there we go for Ballinorig Road level crossing in Tralee in County Kerry. And here's a little note for you. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and punch that bell icon so you never miss a new video. That is Level Crossing Land signing off. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.